Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. We are making the most delicious, crunchiest, flavorful fried chicken. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this delicious fried chicken, okay? Listen to the crunch. It's crunchy and it's delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I have my shallots, I have garlic, ginger, lemongrass, okay, and some Thai green chilies, as you can see here. Very simple but flavorful. So blend that, okay. So this is my chicken. I've washed it nicely. I add the blended ingredients, as I've told you already, into it. All right, and I add some curry powder and some turmeric as well. This is a Mongolian style fried chicken, okay. It is amazing. You try this and you are going to love it. I'm adding some corn flour. All right. Yes, the corn flour thickens the paste on it and actually makes it so yummy. So leave it there for about an hour, just at least an hour. And after that, let's fry it. As you can see here, very easy, but I'm telling you, it's flavorful and crunchy and delicious. You got to try this recipe, guys. You gotta try it. The aroma in my kitchen is so good. The lemongrass, the ginger, oh, the curry powder. I tell you, you have to try this recipe. It's simple, but it's so it's very flavorful. I tell you, you are going to love it. Just to let you know, the corn flour as a paste with the ingredients, a yummy ingredient, and it forms as a coating and it makes it so crunchy and delicious. So that's why this is so good. So you have to try this, guys. It's absolutely delicious. Right, as you can see, look at the color. It's all done and it smells amazing. It's crunchy, spicy. Guys, who doesn't like this? It's so good. Just look at that. I tell you, you are going to love this. So try this recipe and you come and thank me later. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.